Hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, how's it going? How are my business bosses doing out there? So listen, today we're talking about marketing. Okay, I'm going to give you some tips on how to market. I find that a lot of people have a hard time marketing themselves, and if you don't know how to market, you have no business. I mean, that's just facts, right? So I'm going to give you some practical tips. I'm going to do a little sample marketing with you and show you and tell you what I say, and then hopefully that'll give you some ideas and inspire you to market more your business. Okay, so the first thing is you want to dress the part. Okay, when you go out talking to people, dress to impress. People always say that, right? And that's not underrated. When you are going out and you are selling yourself, the first thing people are going to see is you. So if you look like you just rolled out the bed, you know, hair not combed, no lipstick, no nothing, hardly brush your teeth, they're not going to want to do business with you. That's just facts. So for my women, make sure, and men, it's the same principles for both. It doesn't change, okay? Sometimes we come down a little bit harder on our women than our men, but really the principles are the same. Look like you want the job, okay? In this case, look like you want to be their notary. Look like you want to be their signing agent. If you're going in person, even in your tone in your letters, make sure good morning, good afternoon. If you're in person or writing people, make sure you have a salutation there, okay? Also, present the benefits to the client. What is it that they're going to get from it? Not just about, oh, I need to be your notary. I need to make my goals. I need to make $200 a day. I need to make $300 a day. I need some signings. No. What benefits do you offer? For example, being a mobile notary, the client may not be able to get out if you're going to a nursing home. You know that they're ill. If they're at a hospital, it would be my pleasure to come and serve them. You know, make sure they know the benefits, not just what you're going to get out of it. Because nobody wants, even in your regular life, you don't want to be bothered with somebody and all they want to know is what can they get out of it, right? You want a friend where you do something, they do something. You do something, they do something. And that's not the only reason you're friends, because sometimes it's never equal, right? Even in a marriage, it's never 50-50. You might do more than your husband, or your husband do more than you, right? Or your boyfriend, whatever. Okay? But still, you always want to present the benefits. Have your business cards in hand. Leave something tangible, okay? If you don't have business cards yet, check out Vistaprint. You can get like 100 of them for like $10. Always use a coupon. Always use a coupon with Vistaprint. But always have something you can leave with them. It could be a flyer. It could be a postcard. But really, I just like business cards. I try to keep the budget down as much as I can, and just presenting a simple business card is more than enough, okay? Keep your presentation simple. They don't need to know what an acknowledgement is, what a jurat is. They don't need to know all that. Half of y'all don't even know what it is, okay? No shade. But half of the notaries do not know what an acknowledgement and a jurat is. They don't know the difference. So you don't need to go in there and tell the client, yeah, I know how to fill out a jurat. Do you think most of your people need acknowledgments? They have no clue what that is. So there's no need to talk about that. Keep it simple. Stick to the facts, to the benefits. Again, what can you do? I can travel to your clients to help them get their documents executed. Okay, if you need additional training, also please check out notaryeducatorsllc.com for all of your training needs. We got you covered A to Z. And be friendly. Be friendly. That should be obvious, right? But you don't walk in somebody's business. You don't say hello. We talked about that a little bit earlier. When you walk in, make sure your demeanor. You know, if you're not having a good day, don't go out and market. If you're mad at your husband, don't go out and market. Okay? If your mama ticked you off or your kids ticked you off, do not go out and market, because everybody on the other side is going to feel that. Okay? That's just real talk. So let's get into some actual mock marketing scripts that you can use. And again, tweak it for your area, but I just want to give you something to think about. Okay, for example, if I'm going to a nursing home and the person at the door, they call them the gatekeeper, usually the person that they say, they don't want to let me in, they don't want to talk to me, that person. Okay, so that just sounds something like, good morning. Walk in with a smile, because people can feel your energy before you even get there, your body language. Okay, and we ain't walking in all stuck up like, I'm the notary, you need me. No, we're walking in warm and friendly, loosey-goosey, okay? Warm and friendly, loosey-goosey. Good morning, I'm Kimberly, and I'm a mobile notary. You may or may not know what that is, but I just want to let you know I'm in the area, and it would be my pleasure to come and service your clients. Sometimes I know they have documents that they need to have notarized, and they can't leave the hospital, or they can't leave the nursing home. It would be my honor and privilege to come to you. And they normally say something like, really? Y'all come to me? I didn't even know such a service existed. So that's one example, okay? Going to the barbershop. Let's do another one. Going to the neighborhood barbershop. These same principles work anywhere you go. Again, smile in your voice. Body language loosey-goosey, not all stiff, you know? Like, again, I'm the notary. You gotta do what I say. No. Hey, guys, how y'all doing today? I just want to let you guys know I'm a mobile notary because it's mostly guys at the barbershop. There are women, so don't hate. I'm not saying that. Nothing about that. But mostly guys. Hey guys, how y'all doing? So I'm Kimberly. I'm a mobile notary. I would love to leave some cards with you. Maybe you don't need me today, but maybe your friends might need me tomorrow. So something to that effect. But you see what I'm doing? I'm setting up the expectation that, hey, I want your business, right? I'm doing it very friendly. So they are like, oh, this girl, who is she? Because when I walk in a room, you know I'm there. When I walk in a room. And it's the same thing for you. You want to walk in and exude energy, exude positive energy. Because you can walk in a room, you know, they got this thing called resting beep, beep, beep. Where people walk in a room like, who you talking to? And it was just something on the news here in Atlanta, guys. I ain't going to get into all this, but I guess I am getting into it because I'm talking about it. But it was just something on the news here in Atlanta where this lady was like, I ain't hiring a certain race of people because they always got an attitude. I ain't hiring these people. And I was like, did she really say that? And she got busted on tape. So we have a reputation sometimes, certain races, certain people, men versus women sometimes. It's like, I don't want to work with this particular person. We want to overcome that stereotype. And that might be even from your own race. People feel like that. This lady was of an ethnicity and she talking about other people. Go figure. But was she lying? Was she lying? Sometimes we have an attitude. We just woke up and then that equates and translates or whatever words you want to insert when we're doing our marketing. It comes across. It's like, you got an attitude. I don't want to do business with you. No, people like to do business with people that they like and they trust. And let's just face it, if they don't like you, you walk in and you look like you rolled out the bed. To wrap up in a nice little nutshell what we're talking about today when it comes to marketing. Dress the part. Don't look like you rolled out the bed. Comb your hair. Put on your nicest clothes. Present, okay? Give the benefits. Why are you there? What can you do for them? Not about what you need out of it or what you need. But what can you do for them, okay? Also, have your business cards. Have your business cards. You get those from Vistaprint. Keep it simple. They don't need to know all the ins and outs. They don't need to know you got an embosser. They don't need to know you got gold seals. They don't need to know where you took your training at. All they want to know is what can you do for them. Be friendly. Be friendly. If you had problems at home, like I said that morning, don't do no marketing because they going to feel it. Okay, so these are my marketing tips for you in any business actually, but today we're addressing notary. But until next time, this is Kimmy and I'll say bye.